Making a decision to buy a property, whether you are a first time buyer or upsizing from what you currently own, is a very exciting step. In this video, I will explain how to get started. So, whether this is your first time ever or first time in a while, I hope this information will put you at ease with those first steps, which ultimately will set you up for a successful purchase. When you think, okay, I'm ready to get started, there are three main things I want you to focus on. You want to select your team of experts. It's important to obtain your mortgage pre-approval, and you need to liquidate your deposit. So let's expand a little bit on each of these three steps. Selecting your team of experts. The three professionals you'll want on your team when purchasing a property are your realtor, your mortgage broker, and your lawyer. You can select these three individuals in any order that you want, and they don't have to know each other. However, it is nice if they do know each other and have a synergistic working relationship. I would say that the most common scenario I experience is that I meet with a new prospective client first, and then I provide them with referrals to mortgage brokers and lawyers. However, as mentioned, this is not necessary, and sometimes as the realtor, I'm the final professional that my clients select. In other videos, I dive deeper into the role of each of these professionals, so be sure to check those out to gain a deeper understanding of what each individual actually does during the process and ultimately how they benefit you. Obtaining your pre-approval. There are three main reasons why obtaining your pre-approval prior to commencing your home search is a good idea. Reason number one is because when you are out shopping for a home, it's a really good idea to understand exactly how much money is in your pocket. Your pre-approval will let you know what size mortgage you qualify, and that combined with the money you have available for your down payment will form your maximum budget. Reason number two, when you obtain your pre-approval for the maximum mortgage that a lender will provide you with, you will also learn the associated monthly payment for that loan amount. You can then determine if you are comfortable spending up to your maximum budget or if you want to set your purchase limit a little bit lower. Reason number three, when you have a pre-approval, you will be in a position where you might be able to forego putting a financing condition in your offer. The Toronto real estate market can be very competitive, and if you are able to confidently submit an offer without this condition, that will greatly strengthen your offer. At the very least, if your realtor is able to tell the seller's realtor that you have a strong pre-approval, that will make you a more attractive buyer in the seller's mind and will increase your chance of getting a deal together. Liquidating your deposit. And the third step you want to take when you are getting started is to liquidate your deposit. Your deposit is the portion of your down payment that is owed within 24 hours of offer acceptance, and in Toronto, deposits are typically a minimum of 5% of the purchase price. Considering the deposit is owed immediately, and since it's possible you will find a property you want to offer on very quickly, it's always recommended to liquidize 5% of your maximum budget before you start your search. And to clarify a little bit more on what I mean by liquid, you'll want to put the money in a checking or savings account with one of the big five Canadian banks. So not an online bank such as Tangerine or Simply. Those won't quite cut it as it takes a couple days to get your money. Having your deposit liquid will ensure that you are prepped and ready to go when you find the perfect home. So to sum up, the three steps you'll want to take when you're getting started is to pick your team of experts, obtain your mortgage pre-approval, and liquidate your deposit. Happy house hunting!